guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Gitika Arya. So in today's video, I am going to show you my home office or my home study area makeover, and this video is in collaboration with Shop 101 app. So this app is the India's most trusted reselling platform. You can earn by just sitting at home without doing much through this app, as in today's time everyone want to have some extra income in order to get self-independent. So this is the perfect opportunity for all of you who wants to earn and also fulfill your responsibilities towards your home. So what you have to do for that, you just have to firstly download the app. I will give the link in the description box below. So after downloading it, you have to register yourself and then just give a catchy name to your brand and then start browsing all the products and categories and select one category in which you think you are most comfortable, maybe apparels, home furnishing or home decor stuff, and start sharing those products with your potential customers through WhatsApp by keeping some margin, and that margin will be your profit, and all the handling like delivery, return will be done by this app only. You don't have to worry about anything. So what you are waiting for, just go and check this app and register yourself right now. And now about today's video, I am going to give a makeover to my home office area. Basically, I am making a home office at home in this, and I will give all the links of all the products in the description box below. So without a further ado, let's start the video. So this is the area where I am going to set my home office. This is the entry of my bedroom actually, and along with this wall we are going to make our home office. And for that we have ordered a study table, and I wanted this table from so long. This also comes in the brand of Urban Ladder. I will give the links down below. So this table comes like this. We have to assemble it. So they have given different boards, screws, channels and everything. And then there is a manual also, according to which we have to assemble this table. Assembling this table took us almost 3 to 4 hours. So if you don't want to assemble it yourself, you can also ask any carpenter to do it for you, or you can directly buy it from the shop so that you can get it assembled from there only. I wanted a table with enough leg space because I don't like tables which have storage in the leg space. That limits your leg space, and I don't think those study tables are very comfortable. So I really like this table. Then we ordered this chair also. So as because of the YouTube, all the editing work, I need to sit for long hours and I need to work on computer and laptop. So I wanted a chair on which I can comfortably sit for long hours and don't get backache. And I wanted a chair with the proper back support, and this chair is perfect for that purpose. Assembling this chair was quite easy, so I would totally recommend you this chair if you want a chair for your office work. Like currently we all are at home, so many people are doing their office work through home only. So for those people, I would definitely recommend this chair. Then these are the brackets which we got from a local market, as I wanted to install 2 wall shelves over the study table to put my books or some plants. And these are the 2 wall shelves in white shade which we got made from a local carpenter shop. These are of MDF boards. And along this wall I am going to make my home office. So then carpenter measured the distance from the floor where I wanted my wall shelf, and there he marked the points, and then he just drilled those areas. And then just installed these brackets with the help of some screws, and it was quite easy. You can also do that. And these wall shelves also you can get online. Even these brackets also you can get online. I will give the links. Then he measured the distance which were required between the brackets to support the wall shelf, and accordingly he installed the another bracket also. And then he just put the wall shelf over it, and also with the help of some screws he secured the wall shelf in its position. Then the second shelf which I wanted to install below, I wanted only the middle part of the shelf should be overlapped by the upper one. So the carpenter installed accordingly. Then we are going to hang this wall bridge panel, and for that carpenter is marking the areas where he is going to drill. and install some nails so that we can hang our panel easily. This is how it looked after installment of the wall shelves and after placing our study table. Then I hang this grid panel over the nails, and now I'm going to style my shelves. I choose a table clock to put over the wall shelf. This is from West Side, if in case you are interested. Then I kept some books on the shelf because this is the home office or the study area, so books are must. And then I am using this book support. And then I am keeping my books vertically with its support, and on the opposite side I am keeping this scented candle to support the books. Then I added this artificial small cactus plant here. On the above shelf again I added some books related to my subject. Then I placed some frames with the quotation and with a photograph. Then I added this money plant in a planter which I made in my last video. So if you haven't seen that video, I will give the link in the description box below. Then I placed another artificial plant and this kangaroo, and my wall shelves are done. So in case of home office or study area, don't use so many showpieces or bright things, because you need that area to be very peaceful and inspiring as well. So books are must. You can keep some plants, some wall clock. Then on this grid panel I am using some pictures, some inspiring quotes which will inspire me to follow a more healthy lifestyle. Because of prolonged work, I tend to forget about my health. I tend to ignore my health, but these quotations and pictures will remind me to follow a healthy lifestyle, to do exercise on daily basis, to have a healthy diet, because health is most important thing. So I'm using these pictures here. It depends on you what kind of motivation you want, and accordingly you can have pictures here. Here you can also hang to-do list and any reminder. So this panel is very useful. Even if you want to do revision, then you can make some short notes and you can hang on these areas on this grid panel. So this is very useful. Then I added this chair along this table, and the color theme is also matching. Then obviously I do lots of laptop work, so I place my laptop over the table. Now this is the drawer of the table, and I am going to use an organizer to organize my leads and my stationaries. So I have ordered only one set, which is good enough for one drawer only, but right now I'm going to use it in both the drawers. They're quite flexible and easy to use. You can adjust them according to the requirement, according to the things you're going to put in the drawers. Accordingly, you have to decide the placement of the dividers. Basically, these organizers will divide your drawers in different compartments, and then you can organize your stationaries in different compartments very easily. I am going to use these partitions here to organize my leads like headphones, chargers, laptop charger, phone charger, mic. These leads get entangled with each other and they are very difficult to organize, but these organizers are very good for those stuff. And in the another drawer, I am going to use these organizers to organize my stationaries, like to separate the pens from the pencils, from the sketch pens, and from other kind of colors. These are very good if you want to organize your drawers. So guys, this is it for today. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please like, share and comment, and also follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook page. I will see you next time. Till then, bye.